Are you looking to break into tech with zero experience and no college degree? Google is offering a free UX design certificate that could launch you into a career with salaries starting at $117,000 a year. Learn at your own pace from anywhere. Let's dive in and see why this course could be your gateway to a high-demand, high-paying tech job. Welcome to Business Training Media's online business series. In today's video, we're spotlighting one of the most powerful and popular career training programs, the Google UX Design Professional Certificate. Make sure to watch to the end to find out how to enroll in this course today. User experience UX design is one of the fastest growing careers in the tech industry. There are currently over 58,000 open UX design jobs in the United States, with a median entry-level salary of $117,000. More than 1.17 million learners have already enrolled in this certificate program, and for good reason. UX design offers not only a creative and flexible career path, but also strong job security and income potential. UX designers are responsible for how users interact with products, whether it's a website, a mobile app, or a physical device. Their job is to make these interactions seamless, enjoyable, and effective. UX design is the bridge between technology and people, and companies across all industries are hiring skilled designers to improve their user experiences. The Google UX Design Professional Certificate consists of 7 courses and over 200 hours of content developed by Google UX experts. The curriculum is designed to help you get job ready, even if you have no prior experience or degree. You'll learn to use tools like Figma and Adobe XD to create wireframes, mock-ups, and prototypes. You'll build real projects from start to finish and complete a professional UX design portfolio with 3 end-to-end design projects that showcase your skills to employers. You'll also learn key UX principles and complete practice-based assessments that simulate real-world scenarios, giving you the experience you need to succeed in a professional setting. What makes this program even more valuable is the career support that comes with it. After you complete the certificate, you'll be able to apply for jobs with Google and over 150 top US employers, including Deloitte, Target, and Verizon. According to Coursera, 75% of graduates report landing a new job, promotion, or raise within 6 months of completing the program. That's real value from a course you can start for free today. Ready to begin your UX design journey? Click the link in the description below to enroll in the UX Design Professional Certificate course today. You can start learning for free and begin building a career that's in high demand across multiple industries. Thank you for watching. For more free online courses, career resources, and expert guidance, visit businesstrainingmedia.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready for a career upgrade. We wish you the best of luck in your learning journey and career path.